Hey Katie Fam, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another trucking video. So I'm already here. We are doing laundry. We got 3 washers over here. We got 3 dryers over here. They're free because we are at the terminal. We're taking our 34-hour reset. And yeah, so we're gonna do laundry and take a shower. So I'm gonna take you to the shower now. By the way, we're in Indianapolis, guys. Indianapolis, Indiana. So, this is what this shower looks like. It's actually not a bad size. I wish the door would stay open, but like right there is the sink, and the toilet in the little corner, and this is the shower over here. So yeah, and then after this, we basically have to go to Walmart, and we don't have personal drive time anymore with US Express. So now we're gonna have to take an Uber, which is sad. So yeah, so unfortunately with US Express, we don't have the personal drive time anymore, which basically they used to give us 50 miles of drive time where we can go anywhere like Walmart or whatever, like personal things basically. And they took that away from us. So it's sad. Babe went like this. But it is sad, like we need that. We literally stopped taking our 24-hour reset. Like Walmart is a mile and a half down the road and we can't even just drive there and get our stuff. Like we had to take a whole Uber. I think they shouldn't have took that away, but people were probably taking advantage of it. That's what I'm guessing.
Right, which is right now in this time period, we shouldn't be taking Uber. We shouldn't be taking Uber.
Exactly. We shouldn't be taking Uber. So yeah. So that's that. So we are gonna take a shower and then head to Walmart, and I'll take you guys with us, I guess. So they have another shower too, which actually is like, it kind of looks a little bit bigger, but it looks, you know, dirtier and not, I don't know. Let me come over here. So they have this shower too, but I don't know. I liked how the other one looked better. So yeah.
Knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you called me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows, you said we could start again. But I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, but I'm a renegade of your love.
Okay guys, so basically we just throw everything on the bed, and the bed is empty right now because, you know, we're doing laundry and whatnot. So yeah, we basically just bought, like, you know, the food to restock the fridge because we ate it all. Yeah, we didn't really buy that much. We didn't really need like snacks or anything because we haven't been eating as much, first of all, and second of all,
thanks to this
we already
thing.
have snacks. Yeah, thanks to this thing. But yeah, so that's about it. We're gonna put the groceries away really quick, and then go get the laundry, and then the next video after this one is gonna be, drum roll please. Drum roll please. Okay, what was I saying anyway? Oh, the next video is gonna be the furnished truck tour.
Okay, so that's
It better be all that.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So yeah, let me go put everything away.
Yeah, so right now everything's a whole mess.
Everything is a
We're
mess.
doing laundry, so.
And I gotta finish cleaning the truck. But anyway, yeah, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me